Avoid these 3 pitfalls. Essential home inspection tips for sellers. Now, before we start, let me tell you, a home inspection is a lot like ordering an extra shot of espresso. You think it's a good idea until you realize what you've signed up for and your heart is racing like a greyhound. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you. 3 sips. I mean, tips at a time. Tip number 1, don't take it personally. Remember, an inspector is a lot like your coffee machine just doing its job. It's going to spit out a report and it may not be pretty. But hey, that's what it's designed to do, like your coffee machine, giving you that jolt of caffeine to start your day. Except in this case, it's a jolt of reality. Tip number 2, be prepared for negotiations. The buyer will treat the inspector's report like it's a cafe menu, picking and choosing what they want fixed. And you know what? It's okay to push back. Just like you would if someone tried to sell you a decaf claiming it's regular. It's okay to say no, just make sure it's not something really crucial. And tip number 3, address the serious stuff. If the inspection reveals something major, like your roof is as leaky as a budget espresso machine or your foundation is as shaky as a caffeine addict's hand, it's best to bite the bullet and address it. Doing a home inspection is like grinding coffee. It gets under the surface, makes a lot of noise, and can leave a mess, but in the end, it's all just part of the brewing process. Plus, it can save you tons of money. So there you have it, folks, the home inspection process in a coffee cup. It's a little bitter, a little sweet, but in the end, it all leads to a satisfying deal. So join me next time on Brewing Real Estate, where we'll continue to percolate over the complex yet stimulating world of home selling. Until then, keep brewing, keep selling, and remember, in real estate, just like in coffee, every blend has its own unique flavor. Cheers! If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that like button, share it with your fam, friends, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.